Hello and welcome to this guide on promoting your business during a recession. It's no secret that recessions can be tough on businesses, but with the right strategy, you can not only survive but thrive during difficult times. In this guide, we'll explore some ways to promote your business and stay ahead of the competition. Step 1. Focus on your existing customers. One of the best ways to promote your business during a recession is to focus on your existing customers. They already know and trust your brand and are more likely to continue doing business with you. Reach out to them with personalized offers, discounts, or loyalty programs to keep them coming back. Step 2. Adapt your marketing strategy during a recession. People are more cautious with their spending. This means you may need to adapt your marketing strategy to appeal to their changing priorities. For example, focus on value-based messaging, highlight the benefits of your products or services, and offer solutions to their specific pain points. Step 3. Leverage social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for promoting your business during a recession. It's cost-effective and allows you to reach a wider audience. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and use social media to connect with your customers and build brand loyalty. Step 4. Collaborate with other businesses. Another way to promote your business during a recession is to collaborate with other businesses. Partner with complementary businesses to offer bundled products or services, run joint promotions, or share marketing costs. This can help you reach new customers and build your brand reputation. Step 5. Stay visible in your community. During tough times, it's important to stay visible in your community. Attend local events, sponsor charities or causes, and participate in community outreach programs. This can help you build relationships and create a positive image for your brand. Step 6. Embrace innovation. Finally, don't be afraid to embrace innovation. Use this time to explore new products, services, or technologies that can give you a competitive edge. Look for opportunities to streamline your operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. In conclusion, promoting your business during a recession requires a strategic approach. Focus on your existing customers, adapt your marketing strategy, leverage social media, collaborate with other businesses, stay visible in your community, and embrace innovation. By taking these steps, you can not only survive but thrive during difficult times. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to the channel.